How to use TikTok analytics for growth. You need to stop guessing and start using analytics. First, open TikTok and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Then select TikTok Studio or Creator Tools, depending on your version. Now tap Analytics. Here, you'll see important data like video views, watch time, follower growth, and engagement rates. The most important metric is watch time because it shows how long people are actually staying on your videos. Next, check which videos are getting the most views and engagement. These are the topics you should repeat and improve. You should also look at when your audience is most active so you can post at the best times for maximum reach. Use this data to adjust your content strategy instead of posting randomly. And that's it. By using TikTok analytics properly, you can make smarter content decisions and grow your account much faster. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok growth tips and how-to guides.